3, 2, 1, go!
Slow down, Rusty. Your car's going on the scale.
I am in the very back.
What is that, Rob up front?
Yeah.
He's going on the scale.
See? You don't need to be on the scale. I'm on the line.
Pat has taken the lead. Caution.
Yeah, you got one. All right,
I
meet
didn't
up.
want it to be on account of me, though.
Here, we're going to meet at the staging.
Well, Rob's up front, right?
No.
That's right.
All right, pace car is coming. Oops.
Oh, I'm not in desk car. Give me a little phone.
Pace car's out.
Rusty has taken the lead.
This time.
Rusty needs to refuel. Robbie has to refuel. Rick has to refuel. Rob has to refuel. Pat is in the pits. Rick is in the pits. Caution.
Yes, hit the caution.
Look at it. I was going to say, caution.
All right.
This sucks.
I'm not gonna have enough fuel to.
I ain't either. I'm at 8%. Ain't gonna be able to make no.
No pitting during caution. If you do pit, then you have to stay in there and go a lap down.
Oh, you just make that up?
I just made it up.
So then we better come out.
I say we just do a rolling start then.
No, we don't have to. We were in when the caution came
You guys
out.
were
But
in there when it went.
if you go in when the pace car's in, then you got to wait for the field to come by. That's a rule. It's on like page, I don't know, something.
This butt keeps getting bigger.
Yeah. All right, meeting up here at the staging area. After we
Pat
get
has finished refueling.
I'm gonna go in there and bump you.
now, you don't have
Rick has finished refueling.
All right. Oh, I'm sorry. Pace car's
Rick
out.
has finished refueling.
Catch up the pace car.
I'm at 3%.
It's gonna go in this time.
Rusty is in the pits.
Look at
Robbie
that.
is in the
Worked out
pits.
perfect.
Rob is in the pits. Rick has taken the lead. Robbie is in the pits. Caution.
Good, let me catch up to Dad.
That's 2.
Knock him off.
Just like real race. Just 21 more laps and I've had it won.
I thought I was going to be in the lead. I came out before you did. But I guess I went in before you did, didn't I?
Yeah, you went in. I mean, I made another lap. Let's see. So,
I didn't stay till mine was full.
I did. I've learned my lesson.
Well, I didn't do it on purpose, but I don't know, brain fart or something.
all right. So I'm up a lap. So, I guess Pat gets his lap back. Meet up here at staging. And then Pat is.
Go around.
Which car are you? Yeah, you.
Go ahead, Pat.
You can go around. So I got a lap on the field already during that question. How'd that happen? I'll have to watch replay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Watch this replay.
That replay's unavailable. Pace car's coming out.
Part of the race is now over.
Pace car is going back in.
That has to refuel. Rick needs to refuel. Rusty has to refuel. Caution.
I'm off over there by you.
Rob,
I passed the leader, so I get to go all the way around, right?
yeah. But when you said you passed the leader,
Well, I'm a lap down, but I'm leading,
oh, okay.
so I get to go all the way. I would have got my lap.
Yeah,
back
you would have
anyway,
got your lap
but I
back.
actually got it back.
So I'm sitting there wondering, well, would that actually mean you would get two people would get their laps back? Because you're ahead of the lead.
Yeah, I'm on.
You're on the.
Well, no, I'm still a lap down by the counter,
Okay.
but I'm beating you back to the line. So I mean, I got my lap back myself.
So what's the right answer?
So why is it showing 25 then?
Because we haven't crossed the line yet. You didn't. You.
You don't get to go around. You're in front of Dad. So Dad just goes and stops over. You should keep.
So
going.
really-
it should show that I'm on the same
All
lap
right.
right
So,
now.
so
I'm
remember
just,
how we said the
he's
leader
just
starts
getting
at.
ready to lap me, right?
No, I'm already a lap ahead of you.
I know, but since I'm in front of you,
You would be.
I would be on the same lap
Yeah.
as you. But
All right.
you're right behind me, getting ready to put me a lap
So
down.
as we said earlier, the leader comes over here and everybody lines up behind him. You get to go around,
Okay.
and then Rusty gets a lap back.
Okay, because I'm already
You're
on.
already
so he's
on.
the first one lap
He's
down.
yeah.
Okay.
So I'm gonna let us go. Meet up here at staging, and Rob gets to come around. Then Rusty gets to come around. So she's got.
You're behind the rope. Well, oh, Dad, you went too far.
I didn't realize that was me. Just move me back, Pat.
I've done that.
Then take my car.
Here, yeah, that's good. And then Rogie gets to come around. Oh,
I'm Rusty.
Rusty gets to come around. I think you're on a dead spot, Rogie, but somebody will surely give you a
No, I'm
push.
good. My
All right.
lights are just off.
Here comes pace car. Going back in this time. Whoa!
Hold up.
There's interesting.
Caution.
We don't did that, Rogie.
I
Somebody
switched lanes on him.
Yeah.
I gotta get into the gas. I'm gonna run out.
We didn't do a caution, Rogie.
I didn't need a caution.
I did.
Oh.
I stopped the race because there was a crash.
Under
I
caution.
figured out that I can stop the pace car.
Well, which lane were you in, Rogie? Are you on You're a lap down though, aren't you?
Yeah, he's
Okay.
like,
You put me on the inside, it's fine.
So you can go up front.
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't know why the anti-collision chip didn't stop that from happening. Pat shouldn't have been able
Maybe
to
because
change.
we were going so slow?
No, it shouldn't have let him switch lanes. That's what they're there for. So I have to watch the replay, see if there was a disc of how that happened. Okay, and so we're gonna get moving. Pace car's going in this time if I can get all that figured out. So
I feel like the pace car is going to get stuck.
all right, go ahead and set it. I think we'll start moving now. Go. Pace car should go in.
Rob needs to refuel. Rob is in the pits. Rusty is in the pits. Caution.
All right. You know what that means?
I can't get
Means
the
I'm
daggone
leading.
lane right.
Means me and Rob are in
I'm
the
out of
pits.
fuel.
Oh, man.
Fuel.
Oh.
I'm out of fuel again.
And we're still about 5 laps to go.
I tried twice to get in there.
I didn't realize I was down to 6%. This is bad.
No, it's not.
If you just hold
Depends
the
on your
button
perspective.
down, I mean, don't have to push it when you get there. Just be holding it down.
Yeah.
The car will change lanes back and forth and go right into pits
Right.
as long as you never let off of it.
Yeah, just hold the button down.
It
Yeah,
always will
it
end up.
kinda
going to
defaults to the pits
It
if you
defaults
let
to the
yeah.
pits. So even if you're in the wrong lane, as long as, you know, just hold the button down. Your car will change lanes back and forth all the way around. But when it gets here, it'll go into the pits.
Unless somebody's beside you and then it doesn't allow you
Yeah.
to switch.
Well, I mean, as long as you keep holding it, eventually you get there.
All right, so we're still 11 laps to go. So we're going to bring the pace car out.
Well, we're gonna meet back here first.
I'm going to run
I'm
out of
gonna
fuel.
Fuel first.
I'll run out of fuel
Pat's
before
going
you
to
will.
run out of fuel.
I hate to hear that. That's why I say we need to figure something else out. Like,
A revision to the rule book. That's
The news wore off for you, Pat.
well, cause like that time I was leading and I was coming in. I was planning on coming. Then it's like
I'm in the right lane now.
almost.
All right.
I feel like we should have
And I
done
guess
a
I
rolling
got-
start in that situation.
meet over here at staging.
Give me a couple minutes.
Yeah, I'll be there.
Yeah, it's fine. We're not waiting for you.
Rob has finished refueling. Rob has finished refueling. Rustin has finished refueling. Rustin has finished refueling.
Hold up.
Hold up.
Pace car.
Somebody give a
Give
pace.
that a pace car bump.
Just push it. There we go. Oh,
That is in the pits. Robbie needs to refuel. Rob has taken the lead. Only 10 laps left.
pace car should be going in.
Man, I'm too far back for that.
Rob is in the lead. Rick is in the pits. Robbie is in the pits.
I'm off.
Caution.
I just knew you were gonna run me down.
I'm off too. Well, why didn't you hit the button?
That was good. Yeah.
Hey, Pat, add this up. I got 49% in 7 laps
No,
to go.
just go.
Am I going to
Don't ask me. You're asking the wrong guy.
Let's all get
I got
lined up.
38 with 7, so I don't know if I can make it.
All right, meet up here at
You made a
staging.
rusty nugget.
Now, is
Hold
there
up
any,
now, Dad.
who's a lap down?
You should go ahead and go because Rob is right behind you.
And then, does that mean Rogie should get his lap back then?
Probably. I guess. What's it matter?
Because,
I hate when that happens.
and Rogie's in the, yeah,
What's that?
Rogie, can you get through?
I'm going to come up
Nope.
short. 7 times 7 is 49. Go ahead, Rogie.
Well, that was right. I was ahead of Rob. So I got to come around. Rogie was a lap down. Bringing the pace car out.
That is in the pits.
Pace car's going in.
That is in the pits.
Riding roads.
Only 5 laps left. Robbie has to refuel. Rob is in the lead. Rick has to refuel.
Oh crap, I lost my car.
Only 2 laps left. Robbie is in the pits. Rustin has taken the lead. Attention, only 1 lap left. Caution.
You're in front of me. You're going to run out of
Too
fuel.
much pressure, Rob.
I know.
Well, 7%, 1 lap.
I knew when he took to go, I knew it was gonna crash.
I got 7%. I don't know if I get scored on this last lap or not. I think I will.
You will. I just go
Where are you at, Rusty?
Can you hold this button down?
too far in
Yeah,
front of
you
you.
just-
Right there, aren't you?
Yeah.
It's not
Now,
gonna
right
show you
there.
jumping
Yep.
started.
No,
You're-
I don't think so.
You're going down.
It'll just make you change lanes at every crossing.
Let's see, Pat. You don't need any fuel, Pat.
No, but you're gonna run out in front of me.
No, I'm not. I ain't gonna run out to across the line. And that's
He's
when the
gonna-
race
he's
is
going-
over.
He's going for my bumper.
Yep, I'm going for the bumper. No pace car. Counting down. Here we go. Don't jump. the gun.
3, 2, 1, go! Caution.
Who was it? Was it
This is
me? Was it you? I
Rogie.
was so close. I thought it might be me.
I was too.
All right, here we go again.
3,
Don't mess up, Rusty.
2,
I won't.
1, go! Congratulations to Rusty for winning the race. Rick has no more fuel. Rick finished second. Rob finished third.
Woo. I ran out of fuel crossing the line.
Gave the race away.
Look at Dad's fastest lap. Who needs to be weighed? Wow.
Dang, I was getting it.
That's awful fast for second place.
Well, he doesn't have the weight of the fuel in his car.
Yeah,
That's it.
that's right. Remember, I own the scale.
Yeah.